Hey guys, it's Sandy from Shape Up Sandy. I am about to go off to do my detox wrap, which you'll be seeing pictures and videos of later. But first, I really want to give a very heartfelt thank you and shout out to my very first supporters. Oh my God, I opened up the Indiegogo campaign just yesterday, and I did it like... It made me so nervous, you know? It's like you're really putting yourself out there, and it's like, oh God, I really hope people get it. And those of you guys, I've got some names I want to read off because you guys are my first responders, and you took a leap of faith to be the very first backers of this project to fund Shape Up Sandy when it's not close to the finish line. I mean, you know, I don't have 75% funding. I know a lot of people wait to see, well, let's see that, you know, let's make sure that she's going to get the funding, and if other people are doing it, then I will too. And so for you guys that took the leap of faith to help me out right away, Maru Davila was the first one, like within seconds of my campaign going up, and Everett, Keefe, Pollack, Norina, Garcia, Teri, Maryanne Parker, and Gaby Feracho Seymour. I'm so sorry I murdered your name. You guys, thank you so much. I can't even tell you what it means to me that you've expressed your faith in me and that you have jumped in to help me make this a reality and to bring Shape Up Sandy to the world and to bring it to life. And I want to tell you this. Whether I make my fundraising goal or not, this is happening. If I have to leverage every asset I've got, if I have to go hold up signs on the freeway, you know, please help donate to my campaign, that is what I will do. This is happening no matter what. So you guys, really, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, from the tips of my hair to the, you know, to the ends of my toes. I don't even have the words to tell you how important you are to me. And yeah, this is nerve-wracking and exciting, and I know that I'm on the right path. I know I'm doing the right thing. No matter how much I'm running into self-doubt and, you know, everything else, but I know that it's going to be a learning curve. It's not going to be perfect. The first episode, you know, especially the earlier episodes, there's definitely a learning curve, and I hope that you guys will all bear with me, but it's going to be amazing, and I'm so excited to bring it to you. So I will keep making these updates daily, giving my shout outs to the people that are backing me and supporting me. I'm sorry I'm so shaky. I'm so excited, and I didn't put it on I really got to get that selfie stick, don't I? I'll work on that. Anyways, guys, I got to run to get to my detox wrap. I'll post a picture, and mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.